Hello, welcome to IIPGH. IIPGH stands for Institute for ICT Professionals Ghana. Well, our vision is to become the most reliable ICT partner in development in this country, Ghana. And the mission is to mobilize all ICT professionals under one umbrella. Currently, we are running the Coding for Kids, which is a program to actually introduce kids from the ages 6 to 19 to introduce them to programming. We have various sections for the different age groups. From age 6 to age 12, we introduce them to Scratch and App Inventor. And from age 13, web design and the likes, Python and many others. So it is a good platform for kids to learn how to program. You know, in our modern times, each and every field of professionals, we have computing as a big aspect of it. We introducing the kids at this early age to programming will go a long way to help them become what? IT proficient in all their fields of endeavor. So simply, we run the course on Saturday basis, and we also have specific for schools, in which the schools organize it. We have some sessions for schools, which we go to the schools on Saturdays to take the kids through the program. So on Saturdays, it begins from 10 o'clock to 12 for the first session, second session from 12 to 2, then we also have from 2 to 4 and 4 to 6. So in any of these times, you can just register your kids to be part of the program. Also, to register, you just go to www.iipgh.org. You register and we will respond back to you immediately. The office of IIPGH is located on the Tetequashi Madina Road, opposite Ghana Standards Authority. We are in the same building with IFDC or CIMA, the same building. Locate us there.